Hi, welcome to the CUTCO family. My name is John Israel, independent distributor for CUTCO Cutlery. You're watching this video because recently you were given CUTCO as a closing gift from either your realtor or lender. And we wanted to take a second to explain a little bit about what the gift is, what you were given, and how to use it. So if you haven't heard of CUTCO, just so you know, we are the #1 selling brand of kitchen cutlery in North America. In fact, all of our kitchen products are American made and have been so since the day we started business. So let's take a second and show you what gift is that you were given and how to use it correctly so you have the best experience. The Culinary Companions, which includes the spatula spreader and our Santoku knife. Let me show you how they work. The spatula spreader. And this is one of my personal favorites. My wife and I have 2 of these in the kitchen because we use them every single day. And you're gonna find you can use this for a lot of different things. Most obviously, sandwiches. It's very flexible, which means it's gonna be very easy to get into jars of peanut butter and jelly. You can scoop, spread, and cut, all with one tool. This edge is also sharp enough to cut tomatoes if you need those for your sandwich as well. But you can also use it for avocados because it can go around the seed really easily with the sharp part, and then the dull side you can use to score and scoop out the avocado, and you have it laid out evenly for your sandwiches or salads. A great thing you can use it for is mangoes because you can use it for cutting along the seed and scoring the inside as well. Now, last but not least, this is amazing for cutting all your desserts or any casseroles or anything that's gonna be in a dish or pan. Like apple pie, just like that. And the backside you can use to scoop right underneath and get yourself a perfect slice. The Santoku knife, which is an Asian-inspired chopping knife, and it comes in 2 different sizes, a 5-inch and a 7-inch blade. Let me show you how they work. So the Santoku knife is amazing for chopping lettuce, for salads, cutting onions, also for chopping celery. You can use the tip of the knife to slice so you can cut it into smaller sections like that and then chop. And you can use it for chopping any sorts of vegetables like zucchinis, bell peppers, a variety of different types of vegetables and fruits for salads, soups, stir fries, stuffing, salsa. And the best part about our product isn't necessarily the sharpness of it, it's really how we stand behind it with our forever guarantee, which means if anything ever happens to the product, if it gets damaged, chips, melts, or breaks, we will fix or replace that product for free forever. Also, if they ever go dull or when they go dull, we will guarantee to resharpen them for free whenever you want. You can either request a service tech to come out to your house and sharpen them for free, or you can mail them back to our factory in Olean, New York. We'll take care of it there as well. So that's it. We hope you enjoy your CUTCO. You're gonna love using these things forever and ever. If there's anything that we can do to be of service to you or your experience, make sure to contact me directly. My website and my email are on the back of the card that you had inside the gift. So that's it. Have an amazing day, guys. Don't forget, stay sharp.